built for those who want it all. Great Performers Academy. Unleash your greatness.
Imagine feeling overwhelmed by the demands of your daily life, whether it be work, school, or personal responsibilities. Have you ever felt like you're constantly racing against the clock, trying to keep up with everything? What if there was a simple yet powerful practice that could help you slow down, become more aware of your thoughts and feelings, and cultivate a greater sense of well-being? Let's say a friend recommends this practice to you. Curious, you decide to give it a try. To your amazement, you begin to notice significant improvements in your daily life. You're able to take a step back and reconnect with yourself amidst the busyness of your daily routine. You feel more centered, focused, and at peace. Can you relate to this experience? Do you ever feel like you could benefit from a practice like mindfulness? In this episode, we'll explore the many benefits of mindfulness and how it can help you find greater balance and well-being in your life. What is mindfulness? At its core, mindfulness is a state of awareness that involves paying attention to the present moment. This means being fully engaged in what is happening right now, without being distracted by thoughts or feelings about the past or future. When we practice mindfulness, we bring a sense of curiosity and openness to our experience, allowing us to fully engage with the world around us. Mindfulness can be practiced in many different ways, such as through meditation, breathing exercises, or daily activities. The key is to be fully present in the moment, without judgment or distraction. One of the most common ways to practice mindfulness is to focus on your breath. This simple technique involves sitting in a comfortable position with your eyes closed and bringing your attention to the sensation of your breath as it enters and leaves your body. If your mind starts to wander, as it inevitably will, gently bring your attention back to your breath. By focusing on the sensation of your breath, you're able to anchor yourself in the present moment and become more aware of your thoughts and feelings. Another way to practice mindfulness is to engage in a daily activity, such as walking or eating, with your full attention. This means paying attention to the sensations in your body, the sights and sounds around you, and the experience of the activity itself. For example, when walking, you might focus on the sensation of your feet touching the ground, the movement of your legs, and the scenery around you. By doing this, you're able to fully engage with the experience of walking and become more mindful of your body and its movements. Benefits of mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness can have a number of benefits for both physical and mental health. Here are just a few. Reduced stress. One of the most well-known benefits of mindfulness is its ability to reduce stress. When we practice mindfulness, we're able to step back from our worries and concerns and simply observe them without judgment. This can help us feel more relaxed and less overwhelmed by the challenges of daily life. By reducing stress, we're able to improve our overall health and well-being. Improved focus. Another benefit of mindfulness is its ability to improve our ability to focus. When we practice mindfulness, we're training our minds to stay present and engaged in the task at hand. This can be particularly helpful for people who struggle with distractions or have difficulty staying focused. By improving our focus, we're able to be more productive and achieve our goals more effectively. Increased well-being. Finally, practicing mindfulness can improve overall well-being by helping us cultivate a sense of gratitude, compassion, and connection to the world around us. By focusing on the present moment and the sensations in our body, we become more aware of the beauty and wonder of life. This can lead to greater feelings of happiness, contentment, and fulfillment in life. By cultivating a greater sense of well-being, we're able to live more fulfilling and meaningful lives. Present moment and become more aware of your thoughts and feelings. Incorporating mindfulness into daily life. One way to incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine is to practice mindful breathing. This can be done by finding a quiet place to sit and focusing on your breath as it enters and leaves your body. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Another way to practice mindfulness is to engage in a daily activity, such as taking a shower or washing dishes, with your full attention. This means paying attention to the sensations in your body, the sounds around you, and the experience of the activity itself. For example, when washing dishes, you might focus on the sensation of the water on your hands, the sound of the dishes clinking together, and the feeling of the soap suds. By doing this, you're able to fully engage with the experience and become more mindful of your surroundings. You can also incorporate mindfulness into your daily commute by turning off your phone and paying attention to your surroundings. Notice the colors of the sky, the trees, and the buildings around you. Listen to the sounds of the cars and the people around you. By doing this, you're able to fully engage with your environment and become more present in the moment. Incorporating mindfulness into your life doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. By simply taking a few moments each day to focus on your breath or engage in a daily activity with your full attention, you can cultivate a greater sense of awareness and well-being in your life. The important takeaway. In this episode, we have thoroughly explored the many benefits of mindfulness and how it can help you achieve greater balance and well-being in your life. By cultivating a heightened sense of awareness and focusing on the present moment, you can effectively reduce stress, improve focus, and significantly increase overall well-being. To seamlessly incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine, we highly recommend practicing mindful breathing or engaging in a daily activity with your full attention. If you are eager to learn more about mindfulness and other powerful tools that can help you achieve a healthier lifestyle, we encourage you to visit greatperformersacademy.com, where you will find a plethora of exceptional resources and tips. From the Great Performers Academy team, thank you for watching or listening to this episode. If you like this content, be sure to subscribe to our channel on YouTube and follow us on Spotify and Apple Podcasts. You'll get access to more tips, tools, and strategies to help you achieve your goals and become the best version of yourself. And if you enjoyed this episode, please share it with your friends and family who could benefit from it. Please leave us a comment or a review with your thoughts on this episode. Thank you, great performers.